Hey guys, we are currently at DoubleTree Penang and I'm going to give you a tour of my room, which is the family room. So let's check it out. You've got two rooms on the left and on the right. Let me show you the one on the right first. On the right side you have the toilet, really spacious. That's a common theme for this whole family room, spacious. So storage, wardrobe, two single beds, you have a TV, place to make drinks, minibar, there's a sofa, and check out this view, we've got the sea view. It's a pretty bright day. Let me make it a bit clearer for you. Yeah, there you can see it. And they've also included a small gift for us. We'll open that later. Now let's check out the other room. I wanted to show you the toilet first, which is similar, nice and spacious, but how can you not see the elephant in the room? This beautiful king-size bed. You've got similar storage solutions on the right, place to make drinks, minibar, TV, a table, and the special thing about this room is that you have a balcony. Let me make it a bit easier on the eyes. So this is a very spacious balcony, complete with all the seats that you need, and of course that beautiful sea view. It's a really nice room. The family room is extremely spacious, and you know, it is perfect for large groups, and well, of course families, kids can be running around this place. There's so much space. Anyway, that's it for the room tour. I'd like to just say thank you so much to DoubleTree Hilton Penang for upgrading us and giving us so many perks. We're definitely going to enjoy our stay. Alright guys, bye!